If you're selling on Squarespace and feeling a little stuck with their payment options, you are not alone. But don't worry, you don't have to switch to another platform just to get better payment features. There is an alternative that you can install right on your Squarespace site that will give you instant payouts, flexible payment options, and quick checkout features. That tool is MemberSpace, and it integrates directly with your Squarespace website. So whether you're selling digital downloads, setting up memberships, subscriptions, online services, whatever it may be, MemberSpace gives you the flexibility to charge your customers however you want and get paid quickly. Let me show you exactly how to set it up on your Squarespace site in just a few minutes. First, head over to memberspace.com and create your account. To install it, you'll just get a simple code snippet to add to your Squarespace site, and you'll just paste that into the header section of your website. Next, you're going to upload your content, your videos, PDFs, images, links, whatever you're selling on your site. MemberSpace will keep everything organized and ready to deliver to your customers. Now, when you create your pricing plans, this is where you'll connect your Stripe account to start accepting payments. If you don't have one yet, that's totally fine. You can set one up pretty quickly at this step. Then you can create all kinds of plans here, including free access to your products, one-time payments, recurring subscriptions, multiple payments, whatever you would like to do. You can also add sign-up fees and free trials and even pick your billing dates. And finally, you can customize your checkout to make it fast and really user-friendly. So you can enable quick checkout options like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Link. You can also create coupon codes, tweak the look and feel of your checkout form, and customize the wording to match your brand. And that's it. Now, once you make a sale, Stripe will automatically deposit that payment into your account. It usually takes about 2 days, so it's super quick. Hopefully you guys found this helpful if you're hitting a ceiling with Squarespace payments and want an alternative. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching.